All right, so guys, the reason why I'm saying only trade gold is because it's so easy to understand as a beginner. Inflation, interest rates, CPI, NFP, all these news events, understand those, understand what the dollar index is doing, switching it to this, and then understand what gold's doing and reacting, the correlation between the two. Because it's so simple for you to understand. That's what you need to do. Stop trying to get overwhelmed with so many different pairs you can trade and how they move. What I've learned as a beginner trader is I'm just going to focus on gold, how it moves, and how it correlates to the dollar, the US dollar, when inflation happens, when there's tightening, quantitative easing, when the purchase program is removed from the Fed or when it's added. What's going on? What are the economic conditions? Focus on the news, how that impacts gold, how that impacts the dollar. Then you can simply look at price action, structure, trends, however you look at the market. But take my advice. This is what I've learned. I've spent over a year really understanding this game and trying to figure it out. And my one piece of advice, just my 2 cents, focus on gold. Everyone says stay away from gold. I'm going to tell you something. Focus on gold because you can easily just Google it, find out what's going on, what people are saying about it, find out what's going on in the news, and then they have links on Forex Factory that takes you to the actual page and you can do your deep rabbit hole research. What's going on in the news with the US dollar, the economy, the US economy, and all the conditions globally that affects gold. What's happening between the dollar and gold. Focus on that, and I think you'll have an easier time really understanding how to trade and see profits. It'll be much easier. Gold, the dollar, and economic factors that influence both.